Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Electronics for Gate by Kota Venkanna. My mobile number 630-5826-909. Today I want to discuss the problems on Coulomb's law. So here a point problem is a point charge Q1 is equal to 2 microcoulomb is at a point 2 comma 3 comma 6 and another charge Q2 is equal to 5 microcoulomb is at 0 comma 0 comma 0 in free space. Find the force on Q1 due to Q2. So for any problems, first of all we have to write down the given data. So Q1 is equal to, in the given data, Q1 is equal to microcoulomb is at point 2 comma 3 comma 6. So here the point is, the point on the coordinate is x coordinate is 2. For example, here x axis, y axis, z axis. So here on the x axis coordinate is 2, y axis coordinate is 3 and z axis coordinate is 6. It is written as 2 into ax and 3 into ay and 6 into az. Similarly, the charge Q2 is equal to 5 microcoulomb is at the point 0 comma 0 comma 0. So Q2 is placed at the origin. Why? Because x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 0, z coordinate is 0. So that's why it is placed at the origin of the coordinates. So here, if it is Q1 and if it is Q2, we have to find out the force on Q1 due to Q2. So here the distance between these two is R. We have to find out the force on Q1 due to Q2. So that is F1 is equal to, force on Q1 due to Q2, F1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 into Q2 by R12. R12 is the force on Q1 due to Q2. It is for the understanding purpose, for easy understanding purpose, it is written as R12 square A12 unit vector. So this is the formula for the determination of force on Q1 due to Q2. So first we know the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon. 1 by 4 pi epsilon is equal to 9 into 10 power 9. And we know the value of Q1. Q1 is equal to 2 microcoulomb. And we know the value of Q2. Q2 is equal to 5 microcoulomb. And we have to determine here R12 and A12. Then the problem solution is given. So here first of all we have to find out A12 and R12. First R12 we have to find out R12. So R12 is equal to R1 minus R2. So here R1 is written as R1 2 into AX plus 3 into AY plus 6 into AZ minus R2. So 0 into AX plus 0 into AY plus 0 into Az. So here R12 minus R2 is equal to Ax. First Ax coordinate, Ax 2 minus 0 plus Ay coordinate 3 minus 0 plus Az coordinate 6 minus 0. So the value is given as 2 into Ax plus 3 into Ay plus 6 into Az. So this value is written as module. So module of this value is written as square root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. So here it is written as square root of 2 square 4 plus 3 square 9 plus 6 square 36. So the value is known as 49. The square root of 49 is equal to 7. So here, so therefore R12 is equal to 7. R12 is equal to 7. Next we have to find out the value A12. Next value we have to find out A12. Next we have to find out A12. A12 is equal to R1 minus R2 by module of R1 minus R2. So we know the value R1 minus R2 is equal to, so R1 minus R2 is 2Ax plus 3Ay plus 6Az by square root of R1 minus R2 is equal to, so 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. So A12 is equal to 2Ax plus 3Ay plus 6Az by square root of 4 plus 9 plus 36, that is equal to 2Ax plus 3Ay plus 6Az by square root of 49. Then square root of 49 is equal to 7. So therefore A12 is equal to 2Ax plus 3Ay plus 6Az by 7. This is A12 value. So then 1 by 4 pi epsilon for the free space, 1 by 4 pi epsilon is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into epsilon r. So here for the free space epsilon r is equal to 1, then 1 by 4 pi epsilon r for free space is equal to 9 into 10 power 9. So we have to substitute the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon and q1 value, q2 value and r12 value and a12 value in this equation. Then that is equation will becomes the force on q1 due to q2. Then F1 is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon is equal to 9 into 10 power 9 into Q1 value. Q1 is equal to 2 into microcoulomb. 2 microcoulomb is written as 2 into 10 power minus 6 coulombs into Q2 is equal 5 microcoulomb. 5 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb by R12. R12 is equal 7. 7 square into A12 is equal 2AX plus 3AY plus 6AZ by 7. So after calculating by using calculator, this value becomes 0.52 AX plus 0.78 AY plus 1.56 AZ millinewtons. This is the force. This is the force on Q1 due to Q2. So here, for any updates and for daily classes, subscribe my channel. My channel name is Electronics for Gate by Kota Venkanna. My mobile number 6305826 909. Thank you.